Our modern world relies heavily on chemicals, from plastics to pharmaceuticals. Traditionally, these have been derived almost exclusively from finite fossil fuels. However, a critical shift is underway towards renewable resources, offering a sustainable pathway for chemical synthesis and product development. This transition is not merely an environmental choice, it is an imperative for long-term global sustainability. By harnessing nature's bounty, we can reduce our carbon footprint and secure a future less dependent on dwindling non-renewable reserves. This field represents a cornerstone of green chemistry. Among the most promising renewable resources is biomass, encompassing organic matter derived from plants, animals, and microorganisms. This includes agricultural waste, forestry residues, dedicated energy crops, and even algae. Biomass offers a carbon-neutral cycle, as the carbon released during its processing was originally absorbed from the atmosphere. Its abundance and diverse chemical composition make biomass an ideal feedstock for a wide array of chemical transformations. Unlike fossil fuels, biomass is continuously replenished through natural processes, ensuring a perpetual supply for future generations. The conversion of biomass into valuable chemicals involves sophisticated processes within biorefineries. These facilities employ various techniques, such as fermentation, pyrolysis, and gasification, to break down complex organic structures. These methods yield simpler chemical building blocks. For instance, fermentation can convert sugars from biomass into alcohols like ethanol or organic acids. Pyrolysis, a thermal decomposition process, produces bio-oils and biochar, which can be further refined. Gasification transforms biomass into syngas, a versatile mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide. The chemical building blocks derived from biomass are then used to synthesize a new generation of bio-based products. These include bioplastics, which offer biodegradable alternatives to conventional plastics, and biofuels, such as bioethanol and biodiesel, reducing reliance on petroleum. Biosolvents, derived from renewable sources, are also replacing hazardous petrochemical solvents in many industrial applications. Furthermore, renewable resources are increasingly used in the production of specialty chemicals, including lubricants, adhesives, and even pharmaceutical precursors. These innovations demonstrate the versatility and potential of sustainable chemistry to permeate every aspect of our lives. The adoption of renewable resources and chemistry presents significant opportunities, including reduced greenhouse gas emissions and enhanced energy security. It also fosters new economic sectors and creates green jobs. However, challenges remain, particularly concerning cost-effectiveness and scalability. Optimizing conversion efficiencies and developing robust supply chains for biomass are crucial. Research continues to address these hurdles, focusing on novel catalysts, advanced processing technologies, and integrated biorefinery concepts. The journey towards a fully sustainable chemical industry is ongoing, with renewable resources at its core. This field demands interdisciplinary collaboration and continuous innovation from chemists, engineers, and policymakers alike. It represents a vital pathway to mitigating climate change and fostering a circular economy. For students entering this field, the opportunities to contribute to groundbreaking solutions are immense. Embracing renewable resources and chemical synthesis is not just about creating new products, it is about forging a more resilient and environmentally responsible future for all.